After spending a week in quarantine, Manila Vice Mayor Honey Lacuna has been declared free of COVID-19. On Facebook, Lacuna shared a photo of herself holding a certificate. The Santa Ana Hospital issued the certificate declaring the politico a COVID-19 survivor. Lacuna thanked the Lord for healing her. Despite being fully vaccinated against COVID-19, Lacuna got infected with the virus last August 8.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.